Hello, good morning. Once again, welcome to Ambe YouTube channel. Today, the next part, let us discuss the zeros of a quadratic polynomial and relationship between zeros and coefficients. The given polynomial is x square minus 2x minus 8. We have to split the middle term into two terms and rewrite the equation. How to split the middle term? Write the middle term here. Product of first and last term. These two terms. Product of these two terms here. Minus 8x square. We have to find two numbers. How to find two numbers so that the difference is 2, product is minus 8. So, what are the factors of 8? 2 4s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are. See, if we from these numbers we have to find these two numbers. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Here, bigger number must have this sign minus 4 and smaller number. If I write here plus, then minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. X here, x here. Minus 4x into 2x is minus 8x square. Instead of this number, I am writing these two numbers. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Now, what is common in this? X is common. Remaining thing is x minus 4. The same thing I am writing here. X minus 4. So, what I have to write here? Here, I have to write 2. Then 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 4, 8. Minus 8. So, in this whole sentence, this is common. X minus 4 is common. If I take common, what is remaining here? X. What is remaining here? 2. So, x minus 4 into x plus 2 equals 0. If a into b is 0, a into b is 0, either a equals 0 or b equals 0. One of these two must be equals to 0. Therefore, either this must be equals to 0 or this must be equal to 0. That means x minus 4 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. These are the called factors of this given polynomial. If these are the factors, what is the value of x? Plus 4 and minus 2. So these are the zeros of this polynomial. This one I call it as alpha. Therefore, alpha equals 4, beta equals minus 2. Now, verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. What is the relationship between zeros and coefficients? One relationship is alpha plus sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. What is alpha plus beta? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is minus b by a. What is b here in the given equation? B is minus 2. What is a? A is 1. So this is 2 equals 2. Therefore, one relationship satisfied. Next, product of roots. What are the product of roots? Alpha into beta is c by a. This is the relationship for product of roots. What is alpha? Alpha is 4. Beta is minus 2. C is minus 8. A is 1. So minus 8 equals minus 8. LHS equals RHS. So sum of roots relationship satisfied, product of roots relationship is satisfied. Hence, we have find the zeros of this polynomial and find the relationship between zeros and coefficients. How to find the zeros of this polynomial? Dissolve the middle term and take the common term and find the value of x. How to find the relationship between zeros and coefficients? One relationship is alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. Verify that one. Another one is product of two roots is c by a. Verify this relationship. Then the equation is verified for the relationship. Now, for this quadratic equation, we have to find the values of zeros and verify its relationship with the coefficients. How to find the coefficients? Now, comparing with standard equation, what is the standard equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. What is the value of a? is 4, b is minus 4, c equals 1. These are the coefficients. Now, if we solve this given equation, we get the values of zeros. Now, we solve the given equation 4x square minus 4s plus 1 equals 0. How to solve the given equation? Resolve the middle term into two terms and find the product of first and last term. What is the product of first and last term? 4s square. Middle term is minus 4s. Which are the terms which satisfy these two terms? Minus 2s and minus 2s. Minus 2s into minus 2s minus 4s. Minus 2s into minus 2s plus 4s square. Therefore, 4s square minus 2s plus 1 equals 0. What is common here? 2s is common. S minus 1. The same thing you write here. S minus 1 equals 0. Well, what I have to write here? So that if I multiply these two, we get this term. That is 2s minus 1. Same thing if I write here. This is minus 1. So, in this entire straight line, what is common? 2s minus 1 is common. If I take 2s minus 1 outside, again inside 2s minus 1. So, 2s minus 1 equals 0. 2s minus 1 equals 0. So, 2s equals 1 or s equals half. S equals half. S equals half. This is value of alpha. This is value of beta. This is are the zeros. Are the zeros. Now find the relationship between zeros and coefficients. What is relationship between zeros and coefficients? One is sum of zeros alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. That means half plus half equals what is minus b? Minus of minus 4. What is a? Is 4. Half plus half is 1. Here also 1. Therefore, LHS equals RHS. Sum of zeros. What is product of zeros? Product. Formula for product of zeros is alpha plus beta equals c by a. What is value of alpha? Alpha is half, beta is half. Half into half equals c. C is 1. What is a? A is 4. Half into half. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 by 4 equals 1 by 4. LHS equals RHS. Hence the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Hence verified. Hence verified the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship with the coefficients. Now write the given equation in proper form. First x square, next x, next constant term. Compare this given equation with standard form of quadratic equation. What is general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Comparing these two equations, we find the value of coefficients. Value of a is 6, value of b is minus 7, value of c is minus 3. These are the coefficients. Now solve the given equation. What is the given equation? 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equals 0. How to solve the given equation? Resolve the middle term. This is the middle term. We have to resolve it into two terms. How to resolve it into two terms? First, write the middle term here, minus 7x. Product of first and the last term. Here you have to write 6 3 is 18 minus 18x square. Which are the two numbers? Adding we get minus 7, multiplying we get minus 18. 18, 2 9s. See here, 9 and 2 are the numbers. 9 and 2 are the numbers. 9x, 2x. Here bigger number must have this sign given to bigger number, minus 9x plus 2x. So the given required numbers are minus 9x and plus 2x. So rewriting this equation, we get 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now in this, what is common? 3x is common. When I take 3x outside, we get here x into 3x is 2x. 2x, 3x into 2x is 6x square. 2x minus 3. 3x into 3, 9x. Same thing I am repeating here. 2x minus 3. So what I have to write here? Plus 1. So that if I multiply these two, I get here this one. So this is common in the whole equation. 2x minus 3. Here 3x plus 1 equals 0. Here if I take outside 3x remaining, here if I take outside 1 is remaining. So a into b is 0. Either a is 0 or b is 0. That means 2x minus 3 equals 0 or 3x plus 1 equals 0. 2x equals 3 or x equals 3 by 2. Here x equals minus 1 by 3. So alpha equals 3 by 2. Beta equals minus 1 by 3 are the zeros. Are the zeros of the given equation. Now verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. One relationship between sum of the zeros, sum alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. What is alpha? 3 by 2, beta minus 1 by 3. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3 equals b is minus of minus 7 by a is 6. Here LCM is 2 3s are 6. Here we get 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s are 6. 7 by 6. 7 by 6 equals 7 by 6. LHS equals RHS. Product of roots. Product of roots is alpha into beta equals c by a. That is 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 equals c is minus 3, a is 6. This is again minus 3 by 6. This is equals to minus 3 by 6. Here this is also verified. Hence the verification. So we have to find the coefficients. We have to split the equation, find the zeros, then verify sum of the zeros and product of zeros. Equation of the polynomial, if alpha and betas are the zeros of the polynomial. So if alpha and beta are zeros of the given polynomial, then the required equation or polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals 0. That means x square minus sum of the polynomial into x plus product of the polynomial. This is the required equation. Is the required equation. Find the equation of a polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are given. See, sum and product of zeros are given. Sum of zeros is that means alpha plus beta equals minus 1 by 4. What is product of 0? Alpha beta equals 1 by 4. Find the equation of the polynomial. Equation of quadratic equation, required quadratic equation will be of the form x square minus sum of zeros into x plus the product of zeros. So this is x square. What is sum of zeros? Minus 1 by 4 into x. What is product of zeros? 1 by 4 equals 0. This is minus into minus plus x square plus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. If I take LCM, then 4 will be the LCM. Here 4, here 4, here also 4. This 4 into 1 becomes 4x square plus 1 into 4 cancels, x plus 1 equals 0. That means if I take 4 this side, we will get 4x square plus 1x plus 1 equals 0 is the required equation. 4x square plus 1x plus 1 equals 0 is the required equation. Find the equation of the polynomial whose sum of zeros is 4 and the product of zeros is 1. Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta. Product of zeros is alpha into beta. The required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals 0. X square, what is alpha plus beta? 4 into x. What is alpha beta? 1 is the required equation. Find the equation of the quadratic equation of the polynomial whose sum of zeros is 0, sum of 0 and product of zeros is root 5. The required equation is x square minus sum of zeros plus product of zeros. X square, what is sum of zeros? 0 into x. Product of zeros is root 5 equals 0. Therefore, the required equation is x square plus root 5 equals 0. This is the required equation. Now find the equation of the polynomial whose sum of zeros is 1 and product of zeros is also 1. What is the required equation? X square minus sum of zeros plus product of into x plus product of zeros. X square, what is sum of zeros? 1 minus 1 into x. What is product of zeros? 1. This is the required equation. Find the zeros of the polynomial. 4u square minus 8u equals 0. Here, middle term is there, last term is not there. What is common in this entire equation? 4 is common, u is common. If I take 4 and u outside, u remains 4u into u, 4u square. Here 4u into what becomes 8u. It is 4u into 2 becomes 8u. 4u into u minus 2 equals 0. If a into b equals 0, either a equals 0 or b equals 0. In the same way, if 4u into u minus 2 equals 0, either 4u equals 0 or u minus 2 equals 0. That means u equals 0 or u equals 2. That means alpha equals 0, beta equals 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Thanks for watching.